Will drones ever fly in India? Slightly a provocative title, but I think the whole idea is to discuss, debate the evolution and of course what we call revolution of drones, and in the context of India.
Drones is anything which is flying, which is unmanned. That's why many times instead of drones, we use the word unmanned aerial vehicle. That's the reason. So unmanned aerial vehicles are ones which require a minimum input.
The position of law in India today is that you cannot fly drones for civil purposes at all. There was a notification which came out by the government in 2014 which imposed a blanket ban on the use of flying of drones for civil purposes in India.
Before each and every operation, before actual operation of the drone, you have to intimate the local authorities or the police station.